This Ruszoaer EMS muscle stimulator belt uses electrical muscle stimulation to contract your core muscles and can also help ease everyday soreness after workouts or long desk sessions. With 6 distinct programs and 19 intensity levels, it lets you fine-tune sessions from a gentle warm-up through challenging contractions and then down to a relaxing cool-down. The belt relies on built-in conductive pads instead of disposable gel sheets, so upkeep is simple, cleaning is quick, and long-term use stays economical. Its ergonomic wrap design sits comfortably around the midsection, and short daily sessions are marketed as comparable to traditional exercises like running, swimming, or sit-ups for engaging the abdominal area. An adjustable hook and loop strap accommodates a wide range of waist sizes, while the slim profile can be worn discreetly under clothing for use at home, in the office, or while walking around. The rechargeable control unit connects by universal serial bus, eliminating constant battery changes and making it easy to keep the stimulator ready for regular training or recovery routines.